Hey guys, welcome back to Ariel Playday. Today we gonna be making slime.
What kind of slime we making?
We are gonna make
JoJo's CY slime. And we're gonna make 6 different kinds. Show them the colors, yeah.
We got yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, and another. It's like this one. It's like this one is dark and this one is light. And today we're gonna be using some glue.
Yep, that's the white glue. So pour it into your container right there.
We're gonna be pouring it into the container.
Squeeze. Take your time.
It's hard. We are going to be using clear glue. First, we got to open it. Now, we're going to skirt.
Squeeze. Squeeze. Ooh. Okay, this should be
Pour
good.
it into the bowl.
And get your spoon to get the rest of it out.
Okay. Now we gotta get the spoon and let the rest of it get out.
Get as much as you can, babe.
Next is water. Now we are gonna put, this is so slimy.
It's paint.
The paint be that slime. Do we have to?
Okay, stir it up.
Now it's time to stir it.
Might need a little more in there. I'm gonna put some more thing in there. And do you some, what else you want, like some glitter or something? Okay, let's do glitter next.
Next is glitter.
Alright, go ahead and pour.
We gotta pull it into the
pour all
bowl.
of just some of
It's green. Now we gotta
it. Stir it.
We gotta agitate. Agitate, agitate, and continuous agitate. Agitate, agitate, and continuous say agitate, 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 agitate. Now we gotta use the slime activator.
Activate. Slime activating now. Put some on. There's a lot of that because we want to make sure it's slimy. Okay, you pour it in the bowl. Alright, let's see what this slime gonna be looking like. Is it getting slimy yet?
Not this.
Not yet.
Gooey.
Put some more slime activate in there. Just pour it in there. Alright, this should be good.
How about some more glue? How about some more glue?
You think so? Okay.
We gotta use a little bit more glue, so we can make sure our slime good.
Is it getting gooey now?
If you want it to be big, you have to put more glue up in it. And I'll show you how to do it. First you have glue, You want to put it in if you want it to be big. Bullet trunk of glue. Now it's big.
It looks like it's getting slimy now.
Mm-hmm.
It looks a little watery.
No, inside the bag. It is up inside the
I
bag.
see some slime. You want to pick that part up and see what it's going to do?
Wait.
You think it's ready?
I think it's ready. It's gooey.
What about some eyeballs? You want to put some eyeballs in it?
No.
No eyeballs? No stars?
Ooh, stars, yeah.
Okay, let's do stars.
Now we gotta put stars.
Bows.
Bows.
Ooh, not all of them. That's okay. Now stir.
Stir.
What you call it? Agitate?
Agitate. Making some. And we put glitter up in there and stuff. We put what else? And bows. And yeah.
So, Ari, do you think this is a pass or fail?
Pass.
You think so?
It's gooey. I think you just need to play with it.
Yeah, go ahead and mold it and everything.
And have fun with it.
Yep. It's what it feels like. What does it feel like?
It feels gooey.
Okay. Keep rolling and rolling and rolling.
Then here's the finished product.
Oh, let's see if it stretches. Ooh, you did good, Tut. With your bows in there. That's pretty. I like your slime and the glitter and it stretches, y'all. Ooh.
And we gotta make some more slime.
Yeah, that was cool.
Now let's make some more slime. Now we gotta use clear glue.
Well, that's the white glue this time.
I forgot it's a white glue.
Yep, that's okay.
Cause
Okay, so now.
the other time it didn't work last time with green. Now we gotta use white glue and pull it in. Is it amazing pulling it in? Now we want to get a spoon and get all the white glue what we have out of it so we can have more slime. Now we gotta use water. You probably don't want to put that much of it.
Yeah, don't put that much in there. Okay, that's good.
Now we are good to be pulling the water up in here. Now we gotta put eyeballs up in it. We just gotta.
See the eyeballs where you put them in there.
Now we gotta put them down up. Now we gotta get the spoon and agitate. Agitate, and continue. Agitate, and continue, straight. Now we gotta put some glitter up in here. Now we gotta stir it. When you get done stirring it, now we gotta use purple. Ooh. It is dry.
That's okay. We put a lot of purple in there this time because we didn't use a lot of that green the last time.
The paint is so gooey. We gotta start.
Oh, that's pretty. What colors are those?
Purple and glitter and eyeballs.
And pink.
Pink glitter.
Yeah, that's pretty. Stir it up real, real good. You ready to activate with the slime activator?
Yeah.
Alright, open that thing up.
Now we gotta use activator. Let's pull it up into that cup. We don't want to put that much.
Okay, listen now.
Now we gonna have to pull the activator up in there. Now stir it.
Ooh, good job, Ariel. I like this slime. Ooh, it's already coming together.
It looks like roots.
Looks like what?
Roots.
It smells really, really good.
Now here's the slime.
It's like really, really gooey.
Gooey now.
I like that.
You just gotta play with it. Like the other slime, it was so gooey.
Ew, Ariel. What, the eyeballs in there? Is it in the slime?
Yeah, I feel one right
Oh my
here.
goodness, let me see. Can we see it?
It's one right here. You gotta play with it a little bit. It's so gooey. Gosh. It feels so slimy, gooey.
You.
Oh.
It's coming together. It looks good.
But it's gooey. You gotta play for a long time. It's just coming together. Now here's the finished process.
Ooh.
You could stretch it,
It's pretty.
roll it. And Mom, where did you get it from?
What's that?
The slimy.
The slime kit from Target.
And my mom just said it. We got it from Target. So
Do it like you was just about to do it when you was trying to twist it. I want to see that again.
and stretch it.
Good job. Let's see how far it could go. Stretch it out. Bring it this way so we can see it better. Stretch your arms out with it. Get the other end and stretch your arms out with it. Ooh, that's long, Ariel. Jump rope. You did good with your slime. So Ariel has some old slime that she's gonna combine with the new slime. And we're gonna see how it's gonna do.
First, I'm gonna use the purple slime. 3, 2, 1. Ah!
How does it feel?
Good.
Oh, that's pretty, Ariel.
Now we're gonna use the clear slime. Ah! Stick together now.
See if you can make a big old ball.
Okay. Wow, we don't even want to stretch.
Mix it up real good.
It's like clear to purple and then dark. Now, whoa!
Oh, I love your slime. Let me touch. I want to touch. Oh, it feels good. Check you out.
Now it's time to end the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that little bell. And bye.
Ooh, almost. You gonna try it again?
To do it, you need a lot of slime.
Yeah, we got a lot this time.
Last time we got a little bit when we first made it. Too Once you read the directions. You want to stretch it and lay the other piece down, and then stretch it right there, and then stretch.
Good. It's coming apart a little bit. Hurry up and throw it.
You want to stretch it?
Ooh.
Which one coming?
Almost.